Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing great and staying well. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an advanced and user-friendly age calculator sheet. We've already designed a sample sheet, and first, we'll walk you through how it works, explore its key features, and understand what kind of valuable information this age calculator provides, from age in years, months, and days to total days lived and more. So let's get started. First, we are going to explain each of the headers in our age calculator sheet, what they represent and the specific information they provide. This will help you understand the structure of the sheet and how each section contributes to the overall age calculation. First, we have the name column, which identifies the person whose date of birth you want to calculate. This allows us to organize and calculate age details for multiple individuals in a clear and personalized way. Second, we have the date of birth column. Here, you simply need to enter the date of birth corresponding to the person's name mentioned earlier. This is the key input that drives all the age-related calculations in the sheet. For the today's date column, we've used a dynamic formula that automatically updates to the current date. You'll learn more about this when we begin calculating a person's age. It ensures your results are always accurate and up to date. The years, months, and days columns display the exact age of a person, showing how many full years, additional months, and extra days they have lived in this world. For example, if a person is 29 years, 9 months, and 20 days old, this section will reflect that with precise detail. The weekday column tells us the exact day of the week on which you were born. Whether it was a Monday, Friday, or any other day, this feature helps you discover the name of the day you came into the world. The T-months column stands for total months, and it tells us the complete number of months a person has lived. For example, if someone is 29 years old, this feature will calculate and display how many total months are included in those 29 years, giving a more detailed view of their age. T-days refers to total days, which indicates the complete number of days a person has lived. For example, if someone is 29 years old, this feature will calculate how many total days are included in those 29 years. It provides a detailed view of age in terms of days, just like the total months feature does for months. The hours column represents the total hours lived throughout your entire life. It calculates and displays the complete number of hours you have spent on this earth from the moment of your birth to the present day, providing a deeper insight into your age in terms of time. The minutes column represents the total minutes you have lived in your entire lifetime. It calculates the total number of minutes from your birth up to the current moment, giving you a detailed understanding of your lifespan in terms of minutes. The seconds column represents the total number of seconds a person has lived from their date of birth up to the current date. It gives a precise calculation of their entire lifespan measured in seconds, offering an exact and detailed view of the time lived so far. Now, let's calculate a person's age by simply entering their name and date of birth. After entering the date of birth, we will input the formula for today's date. The system will then automatically calculate everything we discussed, including years, months, days, hours, and minutes lived, with complete accuracy. Now let's enter the today date formula, which is equal today bracket start and bracket close. Now press enter. Now, as you can see, it has calculated everything we have discussed so far with complete accuracy, from years and months to days, hours, minutes, and even seconds, providing a comprehensive view of the total lifespan. Now, let's begin building this amazing age calculator sheet together. Step by step, we'll create a powerful and dynamic tool that accurately calculates a person's age in years, months, days, hours, and minutes, all with simple inputs and smart formulas.